Oh, we on the golf cart, y'all, in Key West. Yeah.
Say, how Cheryl get down here?
Look at y'all. Key West. Mike is driving. He's the chauffeur.
What you say? He's the chauffeur.
And just having a good time this morning. Oh, it's beautiful. It's beautiful in Key West. We're about to go to the Butterfly exhibit.
I like that white dress.
In Key West.
Yeah.
Good morning, baby.
Oh, it's going good. We at on Key West now, so we just got the golf cart and got on here, so I was able to call you. Boat that we walked over to.
We're on Duval Street, riding on the golf cart, going to the Butterfly exhibit. Oh, it really so artsy. Oh, Haagen-Dazs. Oh,
No, but I didn't.
all right, y'all. We in the Butterfly exhibit, and oh my God, it's beautiful. Look, look how it's flying all around. Oh, they so, oh my God. Oh my God, look at this. This is beautiful. They're like everywhere. Oh my God. Oh, it is so serene in here, y'all. Look at this. Oh my God. Look at that big one right there. Oh my God. Ooh. Look at that. Ooh, look at the little bird. Oh my God. Oh, right. Oh. Beautiful. Ooh. Yep, yep. Flamingo. Oh. Ooh, they coming right in my face. Yeah. Ooh. Look at the bird, look. Oh my God. Oh my God. Beautiful. Look at that blue bird. Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh my goodness. Look at the flamingo.
Yeah, they love you.
Oh, look at him.
Yeah.
There's one on you. He's beautiful. Oh, look at there. Ain't this beautiful? Oh my goodness gracious.
So pretty.
Oh,
Please do not step in.
Milkweed.
Milkweed plants. I want something that's pretty though. Got an attraction. These are beautiful. And them blue ones, they're having a lot of babies. You see the little baby sitting over there on the inside of the plant?
Where?
See the little tiny butterfly?
Oh.
You like the plant?
Oh, look at that one. Yeah. It's right in my face.
What'd you say? He was right in my face. Like they be disrespectful.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh, they just all came from nowhere.
Where?
Right there on top.
Oh, I
They're
see
huge.
another
It's
big
two.
one.
Oh, it's three of them.
Oh, look at that green one.
Oh, Bob.
What?
Come here, back up. Look at the wings on that.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. So I never seen this green one.
Yeah.
Oh,
Look at him eating. Look.
And they were
Oh.
born on Valentine's Day.
Ooh.
They all have a birthday.
Oh, look at this. This tree full of them.
Red and scarlet.
Look at the tree full of them. Look, look. Oh, this is beautiful. Ooh. So beautiful.
Oh, look at the babies.
Yeah, ain't they pretty?
They are beautiful. Those colors are amazing. That is awesome. It's beautiful. It's like a turquoise color.
Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. Oh, this is so beautiful.
Waterfall.
Ooh.
Look at the little birdhouse. That is too cute. Oh my God!
Oh, no. Gorgeous. Oh, my goodness. There, I see it. Okay. Hey dreamers, I hope you enjoyed this calming butterfly video. Please like, subscribe, and share for more videos.